Right, hi guys. I was going to have a little fun this morning while the family's not about. So Jake, my son, if you're watching, remember that can of lemonade that you couldn't find? I stole it. I'm going to blow it up. So I'm going to shoot this from about, I don't know, about 8 meters and see what happens, and then try and slow it down a bit. Shake it up a bit and see what happens. Just going to shoot it with a 9.5mm steel with single TheraBand. How did I miss that? I'm going to try and shoot it. Right, the camera still looks fairly dry. Let's go and have a look and slow it down. That's emptied the tin. It's gone in there. The ball's still in there somewhere. So yeah, it's quite fun. Let's have a look.